in today's video I'm going to show you how I organized my clothing rack. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I have this rack that I keep outside of my closet, and for me it holds my newer clothes that I have to talk about or shoot and stuff like that. So I think it's more like efficient for me to have a clothing rack. Other people have it for more storage and stuff like that, but yeah, I do switch things from spring to summer, which I've kind of already done, but it desperately needs to be organized, as you can see. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and you guys are going to join me. It's not like too crazy disorganized because I already did kind of organize it, but I'm gonna show you guys my thought process and how I go about organizing my rack. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So the first thing that I like to do is just remove everything from the rack because I like to color coordinate things, and I keep the majority of the stuff that I wear for the season on this rack, aside from my basics. Like I keep my basic t-shirts like in the closet, as well as my jeans and obviously my shoes and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna take everything off the rack and I'm gonna start color coordinating everything. Oh, this thing weighs. Okay. So I've put everything on the bed, as you can see, and I'm gonna sort through it because I see a couple of pieces that need to go in my closet and aren't really like spring. I start with my lightest colors in the beginning of the rack, and then I work my way to my blacks. So since I have two of the same tops, I just put them together. These are just bandeau tops from Na Nin. I'll just put them here. This is like all of the fall and winter stuff that I need to put back in my closet that I took off from the rack. And this is the rack so far. So starting from the left, I have my recent hat purchase, and I mean this is more like summer or like vacation wear, but I like to put it on there because it just looks really cute. I have my two spring and summer bags, and if they're not like crossbodies or if the strap isn't long enough to hang like on the side, I just use a hanger to hang them, so I put both on there. I have all of my white newer pieces or pieces that I just wear very often that I just keep here. If I replace them with something for the season, then I just put this back in my closet. But these are all pretty new pieces. I have my Reformation top I got from last year, my Jill Rodriguez bodysuit that I mentioned in a video already. I have this little cardigan type thing, which is by And Other Stories, and it is super cute. I can just throw this on top of like anything and it's still very spring appropriate, even summer appropriate. I have my Everlane utility pants, Na Nin trousers, Na Nin wrap skirt, my Na Nin bandeau tops. These are all new, that's why they're here, and I know that I'm gonna wear them to death for spring and summer, so they're probably gonna stay on the rack. This is an older blouse. It's just a satin blouse from, I think this is Pixie Market. This is a new dress that I have to shoot that is from W Concept. It's super cute. It's like a tied waist dress. My Faithful, the brand linen set, some Na Nin black shorts. These are some trousers from Aritzia, I believe. Some trousers from La Gausa. which I absolutely love for this time of year because it's a very breathable material. You can't really see it because it's all black, but you guys will see these in like upcoming videos. And then this is my wrap skirt from Na Nin, which I got last year. And then this is just a dress that I'm gonna wear for a wedding in April, so I just have it here. And then these are all extra hangers, so if I want to add anything to my rack or to my wardrobe for the new season, I have these. So this is it. And I mean, it's nothing out of this world. I usually also hang whatever glasses I'm wearing the most on here, which I have to go get them in my car, but yeah, I leave a little space for my sunglasses. So that is my rack. So yeah, in my closet I just have like my basics. I have all my fall and winter clothes, which I moved to the top of my closet, and I have my jeans obviously and my shoes, but this is my newer stuff. This is a great angle. I just have to go through this, put it back in my closet. So yeah, I add my like most worn, less fragile glasses on here just for me to remember where they are and that I have them and to get use out of them, you know? So I like doing this every season because I see what I have and I just pick something from this rack and then go in my closet and I make an outfit with like newer pieces and older pieces, and I find that I go through my entire collection like this very, very efficiently. So I do recommend that you guys do something like this. Obviously you don't have to get a rack, even though this rack is like $12 at IKEA, but I do find this method helpful and I've been using it for a very, very long time, for like years already. So that is how I organize my rack. Super simple, and as I add things to it, obviously, you know, I'll include it in videos and stuff. That is my spring/summer rack so far. That is how I organize it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.